Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Farewell Cove, a quiet and charming hamlet nestled along the coast of the Gaspé region. This small community is situated between the areas of Rose Bridge and Pinouille, offering picturesque views of the sea and surrounding landscapes. Farewell Cove holds a rich history dating back over a century. In the early 20th century, it was home to 2 sawmills and several small farms. The cove was also a departure point for whalers, who set out in the summer and returned in the fall, which is how the area earned its name, Farewell Cove. As we drive through Farewell Cove, take a moment to appreciate the serene environment and the stories embedded in this coastal hamlet. The blend of natural beauty and historical depth makes Farewell Cove a unique and memorable place in Quebec's landscape.
Thank you very much.